How to purchase 100% of a thriving cash flow business with cash and stock, which includes the buyer's skin in the game. Strategic financing summary for broker and lender. This is a structured acquisition with 100% financing. No gimmicks, just leverage. We're acquiring a strong, growing business priced between 2 and 4 times EBITDA. The seller receives full asking price plus a 10% premium in Winthrop Capital Group pre-IPO stock options at $1 per share. The deal is executed via double escrow. 90% of funds go toward the seller for business acquisition. 10% goes toward purchasing the buyer's stock options, satisfying the lender's skin in the game from the buyer requirement. Result: seller gets their price and an interest in the business going forward. Lender gets verified equity injection. Buyer gets 100% financing with cash loan and pre-IPO stock options. Broker gets full commission and a clean close. This isn't a workaround. It's a structured win for all parties. We're not breaking the rules. We're using the system creatively to unlock deals that would otherwise stall.